Jackets are here. We are with my little dog. Why is the battery changing? First, 2, 1, 2, 1. No. Here, you give me the brush. What are you doing, Dixie? What are you doing? What are you doing here? Shoo! Give me the brush. Brush.
It's right down there. Just lay it down.
Spud. Spud. No, Spud. Ah, yes. Pretty nice. Sweetheart. I'm gonna film this one. Okay. So, oh god. Mama, could you film this for me? Please. When you're done with that, could you film me? Real quick. Okay. So we're brushing this majestic animal called a spud. As in potato. We're majestic. Documentary.
Get his beard.
Huh?
His beard. His face.
Okay,
Make him roll over and get his stomach.
roll over. Like that, don't you? Yeah. Roll over the hard way. Roll over. Roll over. There we go. Don't finish out there. Here's the thing.
Alright, we're good.
We'll give me the camera. Give me the camera. Okay, so I have you guys my batteries up to go and goodbye.